It's another one. Orange rock in Westchester. Another one. Let's go.
In southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York,
Woohoo!
until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m.,
Yes, sir.
a severe thunderstorm was located near Vernon Valley, or 10 miles west of Wowie, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Dude, that's a strong storm.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
My
Impact,
God.
minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm
God.
will be near Warwick around
What
6:05
the
p.m.
hell?
Florida around 6:10 p.m.
That's crazy.
Monroe and Chester around 6:15 p.m.
Insane.
Harriman around 6:20 p.m. West Point around 6:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for Hunterdon,
Goddamn.
South Central Morris, Somerset, and North Central Bucks counties. At 5:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Funktown, or 16 miles southeast of Easton, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Jesus Lord.
Quarter-size hail.
Okay, that was unexpected. It goes that.